Sexy plus size swimwear according to body shape. Plus-size clothing has now taken the momentum, and there are lots of organizations and international brands who are involved in the manufacturing and marketing of these types of garments, which are essentially prepared for overweight women. Not only formal or party wear, but the number-signed swimsuits or number-signed swimwear for plus-size women has become a great trend now and already having $1 million business exposure. Some important and relevant issues are to be considered so far the selection of number-signed swimwear is concerned, which are as follows: Swimsuits Plus Size. Shop according to body type. While a person wants to have a swimsuit for her own or for a loved person, the main impetus has to be given on the design and shape of the article. One thing has to be kept in mind: that selection of the swimwear has to major issue, which needs to be considered, while the swimsuit has to accentuate the most vital features of the user, as artistically as possible. And the second issue is, it has to hide the problem areas that helps the person to get more confidence. Probable body shapes and issues related to selection of swimwear are as follows. Pear-shaped. The pear-shaped lady should emphasize on her upper body and bust and should try to conceal the lower portion of the feature. Women who have heavy legs fabulous thighs and large bottom, should try a two-piece suit with solid bottom and bright colored top, to attract the eyes to the upper areas. Apple-shaped. An apple-shaped woman should try to focus on the bottom area of the body, with a flowing cut and bright-colored dress, which will attract the eyes of the onlookers to the bottom. One-piece swimsuit, with vibrant colored prints over a solid base, can be of great help for these types of women because it somehow disguises the big chests, tummy and shoulder to a great extent. Special care has to take if a tummy trimming swimsuit can be found, which would help in hiding the flap in the mid-region. Small waist. The very small waist of a number sign plus size woman is considered as her principal asset. Therefore, special care has to be given in emphasizing that very asset in the selection of the swimwear. Women with larger chests and heavy bottom and smaller waist can draw the attention to the front belt for a special design of swimsuit that emphasize the waistline.